Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you a super easy way to change the seasons in your photo using AI. No complicated editing software needed, just Google brand new tool powered by Nano Banana. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini and then log in with your Google account. And once you're inside, just go to Tools. This one, Tools icon, just tap on it and then just tap or choose create images, this one. This is the new AI feature that lets you edit photo instantly just by tapping a prompt. Now upload any photo that you want to edit. For example, in this tutorial I pick a photo like this. Next, just type your prompt. For example, I made a prompt like this: turn this photo into a winter season's background with snow everywhere. Adjust the lighting and tone to look realistic like this. And then just generate, and then Gemini will transform your photo into a beautiful winter seasons like this. And I think it looks realistic. Next, let's try something different. Maybe I will type like this. Maybe like this, and then just generate. Okay, like this. As you can see, Gemini transform the same photo, make the same photo looks like summer times, like it has a vivid colors and then warm lighting and totally different vibe with this winter photo. And okay, maybe like this. That's how easy it is to change the season in your photo with Gemini's AI image tool. You can do it in seconds just by tapping a simple prompt. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.